Good morning to our dearest participants. Before we start this session, I'd like to express my sincerest appreciation to everyone who has contributed to making this event a success. Without the help of everyone in attendance, this event would not have been possible. I'm hoping and expecting that you all pay attention and comprehend every explanation you hear during the discussion. If you have any questions about this topic, please ask questions after the discussion and we will respond as soon as possible. Is it good? Okay, thank you. So, before we proceed to our topic, I have a video here of getting to know Microsoft Publisher. I would like you to observe and listen.
Publisher 2010 is a program in the Microsoft Office suite. It can be used to create publications like name badges, brochures, menus, and more. If you're familiar with Microsoft Office, you probably know that you can create these materials in Word. However, there are certain advantages to Publisher. For example, it gives you more control over the size, shape, and layout of your document, whether you're working on a tiny business card or a multi-page newsletter. Unfortunately, Publisher 2010 lacks some of the features that are present in Word 2010, like themes, shape styles, and advanced photo editing. The interface, however, has been updated to include the new ribbon, which is the collection of tools and features at the top of the screen. Here, everything you need is divided into tabs to make it easier to navigate. If you look closely at the upper left corner above the ribbon, you'll find the Quick Access toolbar. This little toolbar is designed to give you access to frequently used commands like save and undo no matter where you are on the ribbon. Now let's take a look at the work area and the publication itself. That's the space in the center where I've already started putting together a newsletter. If your publication has multiple pages, you can navigate between them using the pane on the left. To zoom in or out on your publication or change the page view, use the controls in the bottom right corner. Here's what they look like up close. I'm just going to click and drag the slider to zoom in, then scroll up, so we can check out some of the tools designed to help you with your layout. First, we have rulers, above and to the left. These make it easier to align things like text and images in your publication. If you don't see the rulers in your copy of Publisher, go to the View tab, then check the box next to Rulers. Also in this group, we have editing tools like baselines. See the dotted lines on my publication? Basically, everything in this group is designed to help you control the layout of your content. Each tool can be turned on or off by checking the box, as you can see, and they won't appear in your printed publication. The other tool I'd like to show you is Guides. Guides are thin dotted lines that can be used to align various things in your publication. The blue ones mark the edges or margins of the printable area. These are created automatically when you set your margins or insert a page. The green lines are custom guides that you can create yourself. All you have to do is click, hold, and drag your mouse away from the ruler. See how it works? To move a custom guide, click and drag it again. Finally, I'd like to show you where to go to do things like saving your file. If you're familiar with Publisher 2007, you may have noticed that the Office button is missing. That's because it's been replaced by the File tab, which takes you to the new Backstage view. Here you can explore all the options related to your current publication and more. That includes things like recent files, new, and print. It's everything you would have found in the old Office or File menu, except now you have a nice full-page view. For example, I like the convenience of being able to adjust the print settings and see a preview all in one place. Now that you know your way around Publisher,
I know some of you, or maybe none among all of you, use this Microsoft Publisher even once because we are only practiced to use Microsoft Word or PowerPoint presentation or sometimes the Microsoft Excel. So after watching the video, you will learn what Microsoft Publisher serves its own purpose. Like, for example, we are assigned to make flyers, brochures, and such. So the first thing that comes into our mind is either MS Word or the PowerPoint, right? But we do not know how Microsoft Publisher works. So this is the time to broaden our learnings about Microsoft Publisher. So today, we will improve our skills in utilizing Microsoft Publisher, which allows you to produce professional-looking publications. Publishers let you to produce, develop, and publish excellent marketing and communication products for print, mail, and merges quickly and easily. You can operate as simply with Microsoft Publisher as you do with Microsoft Word, but instead of text editing tools, you will be modifying page layouts and graphic materials. So, you might be thinking, what can I do using Microsoft Publisher? So, for the objective, at the end of the discussion, the participants are expected to, first, define Microsoft Publisher. Second, recognize what Microsoft Publisher is. Third, evaluate the use of Microsoft Publisher. The fourth bullet, apply the learnings in Microsoft Publisher for teaching and learning. And lastly, value the use of Microsoft Publisher as a learning tool in education. Now, let us proceed to our topic, what is Microsoft Publisher? So, what is Microsoft Publisher? Microsoft Publisher is a desktop publishing application from Microsoft, differing from Microsoft Word in that the emphasis is placed on the page layout and design rather than the text composition and proofing. Meaning to say that the publisher has its own purpose or role that is more likely to focus on page layout and design, unlike Microsoft Offices. This publisher is an entry-level graphic design program included in some versions of Microsoft Office. Also, Microsoft Publisher helps you create professional-looking publications quickly and easily. So, Microsoft Publisher helps us to create a professional publication. Although we know some Microsoft Offices that we can create, we do not know that there is a product of MS Office that can serve us according to our output. So with the publisher, you can create, design, and publish professional marketing and communication materials for print and for mail or merges. Are you getting some hints about what we can do if you're going to use Microsoft Publisher? Maybe some of you have some insight on what we can do using Microsoft Publisher, and I will discuss it later on. In Microsoft Publisher, we can make different professional designs and also publish your material. Does it sound great? Yes. First, we can make a professional design and now we can publish our material. Is everything clear about Microsoft Publisher? Thank you. So now, let us proceed to our introduction to our Microsoft Publisher. Microsoft Publisher helps you create professional-looking publications quickly and easily. With Publisher, you can create, design, and publish professional marketing and communication materials for print and for mail or remerges. We will now witness what are the things we can see when we open a Microsoft Publisher. So, this is what Microsoft Publisher looks like when we open it. Microsoft Publisher is a software program designed to help you create professional publications such as signage, newsletters, and more. As you open the Microsoft Publisher, you will see File tab, Quick Access Toolbar, Ribbon, Document or Workspace, and Navigation pane. These settings are expected to have their own purpose that I'm going to discuss. So let us proceed to the ribbons. What is inside the ribbons? The ribbons is designed to help you quickly find the commands that you need to complete a task. Commands are organized in logical groups that are collected together under tabs. Each tab relates to a type of activity, such as writing or laying out a page. To reduce screen clutter, some tabs, known as contextual tabs, are shown only when they are needed. When the ribbon is minimized, you see only the tab's view and select a blank page size in the available templates pane. Contains tabs, which each contain a different set of options relevant to the tab name. The tabs located on the ribbon contain the following tools. So we have Home, Insert, Page Designs, Mailings, Review, and the View. So in Home page, we have the clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, objects, arrange, and the editing. While on the insert, we have the pages, tables, illustrations, building blocks, text, links, header, and the footer. So while on the mailings, we have the start, write and insert fields, preview results, and the finish. While on the review, we only have proofing and language. While on the view, we have the views, layout, show, zoom, and the window. So now let us proceed to the access toolbar. In quick access toolbar, you can actually see the save, undo, redo, and the menu. So for the save, click this icon to save the current file to the disk. If you have not given the file a name yet, you will be prompted to do so. So for the undo, click this icon to revert the last action you performed in Word. So you can undo up to 24 operations. That's all you can do on the undo button. While on the redo, click this icon to revert an undo operation if you undid something by accident. While on the menu, click this icon to show a listing of commands that can be added to the quick access toolbar. So next is the file tab. This is what the file tab consists of. The file tab is a section on the Office ribbon that gives you access to the file functions. For example, from the file tab, you can access the open, save, close, properties, and recent file options. So these are the list of the file tab. So for new, for creating new output, while save if you are done and then you can save it. While the open if you desire some apps to open, and save as if you have a specific location of the file to save. And you can also print your work once it is done, and of course the exit commands. All of these can be seen on the file tab. So under the file tab, click new, click built-in, open flyers, find, and apply a template. If your Microsoft Publisher is 2016 edition, Publisher 2016 allows you to apply built-in templates where you can find different templates, so it won't be hard for you to do some designs. So to apply your own custom templates and to search from a variety of templates available on office.com. So office.com provides a wide section of popular publisher templates, including newsletters and flyers, and you can see many different templates there. Next, the customizing. In customizing, you can customize the colors and the fonts. So the fonts can create mood and atmosphere. So the professional printing industry has recognized that this fact for a long time. Adding text to insert a text box, click on the Insert tab, click the Draw text box command, and the cursor will turn into crosshairs. Here in inserting clip art, select the Insert tab on the ribbon in the illustration group. Double click Online Pictures, enter, search term in search for box. Double click on the image. Try the Picture Tools tab to modify the picture. So clip art refers to a graphic or a picture that you can insert in your own document. It comes in different formats and styles. It is used to enhance the appearance of the document. For adding the guidelines to your blank template, click on Page Design tab, click on Guides button, choose Uneven Columns Guidelines. You can use a feature in Microsoft Publisher called Layout Guides to organize your text, pictures, and other objects into columns and rows. The purpose of the layout guides is to guide you to align objects on your publication. So the publication, it's either flyers, brochures, newspapers, and any other document. Adding text to insert a text box, click on the Insert tab, click the Draw, Text Box command, and the cursor will turn into crosshairs. So for the picture placeholders are the way to go if you want your users to create full screen image slides. For example, make the picture placeholders the same size as the slide and the image will fill the space. Or, if you want to create a photo tile layout such as this one, definitely use picture placeholders. Here is the use of Microsoft Publisher. Publisher is a powerful desktop publishing software. The ability of Publisher to combine text and graphics to create professional-looking flyers, brochures, handouts, and newsletters is one of the strongest features. Publisher is a fantastic software for making aesthetically appealing, professional-looking books without having to invest a lot of money or time in a difficult desktop publishing program. So, because of Microsoft Publisher's ease of use and interaction with other Microsoft applications, this is a course that will refer to a variety of individuals for home and commercial usage. Plus, Publisher is an excellent beginning application for those who want to dabble in the world of graphic design. Another one of the important benefits of using Microsoft Publisher can be measured in time saved. No longer do students get frustrated searching for photos and information. Frequently used content is stored in a searchable library for easy access. So for our generalization, what is Microsoft Publisher as a learning mode? Why is Microsoft Publisher important? So I hope that this lesson or this discussion will help you to accelerate the use of Microsoft Publisher using it in education. So thank you.